To fix the Instagram Messenger update not working, start by checking your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable and working internet connection, as this is essential for updating the app. Next, check if there are any available updates for the Instagram app in the App Store. If an update is available, download and install it to ensure you have the latest version. If the issue persists, try restarting your device. This can help resolve any temporary glitches that may be preventing the update from working. Additionally, check if your device is compatible with the latest version of the Instagram app. If your device is not compatible, you may need to consider upgrading to a newer device. Clearing the cache and data of the Instagram app can also help resolve the issue. To do this, go to your device settings, select the Apps or Application Manager, and find the Instagram app. Select the Clear Cache and Clear Data options to remove any temporary files that may be causing the issue. Another solution is to uninstall and reinstall the Instagram app. This can help remove any corrupted files that may be preventing the update from working. To do this, go to the App Store, find the Instagram app, and select the Uninstall option. Once uninstalled, reinstall the app and try updating it again. It is also essential to check for any conflicts with other apps. If you have any other messaging apps installed, try uninstalling them and see if the Instagram Messenger update works. Sometimes, conflicts between apps can prevent updates from working. Finally, if none of the above solutions work, try contacting Instagram support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide additional guidance on how to fix the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Instagram Messenger update not working and enjoy the latest features and updates.